Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. And we're back again with the throwback series. Today we're there with Aidonia, we run Uptown. On the gun show Riddim, Vybz Kartel this. Yeah? So Aidonia, we run Uptown, gun show Riddim, Vybz Kartel this. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Hey, man, big up.
There's some boys that we're not nice. We make the devil want baptize.
Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Today again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Steven, tell some boys so we're not nice. So them time Steven and Kartel not link anymore. So obviously NotNice was the Gaza producer at this time. So I'm gonna tell you, Steven, tell some boys so we're not nice. You see me? You get it?
Tell some boys that we're not nice. We make the devil want baptize. Shoot them body pan black ice.
He said we make the devil want baptize. Shoot them body pan black ice. Kartel was known as Daddy Devil. When Tamilia said Uncle D man, he must said him a Daddy Devil. You see me? So he must say, yo, we make the devil want baptize.
I said we're not nice. We make the devil want baptize. Shoot them body pan black ice. Call them nyam girl pussy like hot rice.
Call them nyam girl pussy like hot rice. Let's just set them background. That's something.
Baptize. Shoot them body pan black ice. Call them nyam girl pussy like hot rice. Make it start anyway you can't part this on me a walk. Head top shot out them face me a shooting and you a fuck monkey body boy Lucifer.
They must say yo make it start. They must say yo make the war start anyway you can't park and this on me a walk. You see me? So he forward come forward to come look for you. You know what I think? Call them nyam girl pussy like
hot rice. Make it start anyway you can't part this on me a walk. Head top shot out them face me a shooting.
Head top shot out in them face me a shoot.
Make it start anyway you can't part this on me a walk. Head top shot out them face me a shooting and you a fuck monkey body boy Lucifer. You suck pussy, we find out what that in my mouth it a bling a shine out.
The man say suck pussy, we find out what that in your mouth it a bling a shine out. So there was a video back in the days when Kartel was doing an interview. I think it was a Sumfest interview, like after in performance, he was doing an interview or some show. And there was something that looked like it was a tongue ring in my mouth where all of the artists them run with it and I say, yo, in board tongue. Even Bounty Killer did do a diss song for Kartel from that. Me I go react to them two songs too. Bounty this song, Tongue God and them songs. Me I react to them by Kartel. So this is what he's referring to, like what at in the mouth it bling a shine out. A girl you eat and a something. Let me see.
Keep body boy Lucifer. You suck pussy, we find out what that in my mouth it bling a shine out. A girl me a seed and read your file out. You a freak and a beer nastiness you try out.
A girl me a seed and I read your file out. Yeah, you're a freak.
Bling a shine out. A girl me a seed and read your file out. You a freak and a beer nastiness you try out.
Man, see, I be a nastiness Kartel a try out because him have tongue ring in my mouth. That was the chat then.
Bling a shine out. A girl me a seed and read your file out. You a freak and a beer nastiness you try out. Up in your face you bust the 9 mouth bust. Couple buying out head back a flies out.
Up in your face, show up the 9 mouth. Bust couple binds out. The brain.
Nastiness you try out. Up in your face you bust the 9 mouth bust. Couple buying out head back a flies out. Drop him make me get sitting for smell bout. Make it devil climb out.
Out of your body, make your devil climb out. So the devil will possess your body, the devil will take your body, them 9 binds, yeah, I gonna make him climb out of your body because you're not bad. That's what the G said, not me.
Back a flies out, don't be make me get sitting for smile about. Hold your body, make it never climb out. We run uptown. You can't give it back and sa black and sa bust like a tanker.
We run uptown, you can't give it back and sa black and sa sound like what?
You climb out. We run uptown. You can't give it back and sa black and sa bust like a tanker.
Black and sa sound like a tanker. Yeah. Me know the song in about at the first I listen to it in a long while, so me can't remember the word for word, but me know the song. Me know the song very well.
We climb out. We run uptown. You can't give it back and sa black and sa bust like a tanker. Body shake like La Bamba, car them and Yamanda, Hamanda. Grung them a drop under, me no jerk, fall no jerk, panangla.
Grung them a drop under, we no jerk, fall no jerk, panangla. So, when Kartel and Vado was clashing, Kartel a call Vado Baba, Baba call Kartel jerky. So same music jerk chicken at Portmore. So yeah, that's why I said that's where the jerky line come from.
Amanda. Grung them a drop under, me no jerk, fall no jerk, panangla. Boom like the bomb ya, them afraid fi answer that song ya.
Boom like that song ya, them afraid fi answer that. Boom like the bomb ya, them afraid fi answer that song ya. So him a tell us say even though that song is bad and Kartel hate him, them afraid to answer it because him no want the lyrical confrontation at the time.
Boom like the bomb ya, them afraid to answer that song ya. Boy stop chase shot in your frog face and chin, dopey bad flick up like dolphins.
Boy stop chase shot in your frog face and chin. Yeah.
If you answer that song, yeah, boy, stop chase shot in your frog face and chin. Dopey bad flick up like dolphins. Slap it the 4-4 barrel revolving. Bullet them traveling, a fly and a traveling. No boy can't see Aidonia and box him. Can't get kick up like Ninja Man pants thing.
Back to the Ninja Man and Kartel thing, we're going to 2004. 2004, right? Man said, no boy can't see Aidonia and box him. Can't get kick up like Ninja Man pants thing. Remember the famous war between Ninja Man and Kartel where Ninja Man get him face boss. So him tell us say, yo, this is a Ninja brother. You can't do this to me. You're a fool. You have no sense. You see me? You can't see me unbox me. No time.
Fly and not traveling. No boy can't see Aidonia unbox him. Can't get kick up like Ninja Man pants thing. Bust it in your head, you fall up like napkin. And pussy that never better than me, not him.
Bust it in and face, you fall up like napkin. Yeah. That pussy that better than me, no, not him. Them tell us say, yo, Kartel will never be better than him. That's what Aidonia said.
German pants thing, bust it in your head, you fall up like napkin.
That pussy that better than me, not him. No.
Can't defend anything when me talking a song. No need friend fi make shot clot in a man. Him a freak so how them a call him a dan. Pussy mouth car, gal draws him and you look here. Me, not him. Me can't defend anything when me talking a song.
Him can defend anything when him talking a song. He don't need no man he don't need to send out no man for do him crime them. Him a do him own crime them. Listen what I'm saying.
Pussy that never better than me, not him. Me can't defend anything when me talking a song. No need friend fi make shot talking a man. Him a freak so how them a call him a dan. Pussy mouth car, gal draws him and you look.
Hear the play parade a while ago? Hear the play parade? Listen what I'm saying.
Shot talking a man. Him a freak so how them a call him a dan. Pussy mouth car, gal draws him and you look.
Him a freak so how them a call him a dan. Pussy mouth car. Kartel means to say that something, but him say car. Yeah?
Shot talking a man. Him a freak so
how them a call him a dan. Pussy mouth car. Them a call him a pussy mouth car. So him use that in a two different way. Pussy mouth car. Tell. I must say pussy mouth car. Girl jazzy man yam. You see me? Yeah, that was very smart there. That was very smart. I like that.
And me, not him. Me can't defend anything when me talking a song. No need friend fi make shot clot in a man. Him a freak so how them a call him a damn pussy mouth car. Gal jazzy man yam. If you want the devil with the fork in a hand, Steve, give me way and make me war him no man.
Me not care Yahoo. Me not care if you are the devil with the fork in a hand. Steven, excuse me, Steven, step aside. Just give me the rhythm and step aside. Me war him. That's what the G said, not me.
Gal jazzy man, you look here if you want the devil with the fork in a hand, Steve, give me way and make me war him no man. One chat in nine for your sight, now go belong. We run uptown. You can't give it back and sa black and sa bust like a tanker. Body shake like La Bamba,
car them and Yamanda, Hamanda.
Ground them a drop under, me no jerk, foul no jerk, panangla. Boom like the bomb, ya. Them afraid fi answer that song, ya.
Tell some boys that we not nice.
We baby never want baptize. Shoot them
body pan black eyes, call them young girl like black. Make it
anyway you can't part, so me a war. I'm shot out them face, me a shooting at you a fuck monkey, body boy Lucifer. You suck pussy, we find out what that in I mouth, it a bling a shine out. A girl live up and a read the file out. You a freak and a be a nasty, it's a try out. Up in your face, you not deny mouth. Bust couple buying out, then back a fly out. Up in make me get sitting for smile bout. Out to your body, make it every climb out. We run uptown. You can't give me back answer, black answer, bust like a tanker. Body shake like La Bamba, call them and them under Amanda. Ground them a drop under, me no jerk fall, no jerk panangla. Boom like the bomb, yeah. Them afraid to answer the song, yeah.
Yeah, so that was then. So I think, to be honest, if the teacher never get arrested when he did in a 2011, I think it was November 2011. If he never get arrested, then I think it would have been eventually a war between him and 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿, because 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 was firing. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 was firing at that time. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 was firing, but I don't think Kartel was paying it much mind, because remember say 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 said one did go say Adi and my daddy who want vex, you know. So him did don't have 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 as being beneath him, like Kartel don't have himself up on a higher level than 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. So he wasn't paying no attention. But knowing Kartel, I think if Kartel is still there road and thing, it would eventually have to answer 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿, because 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 would have eventually step on him can the right way, make him answer, you see me? But at the time, Kartel was busy with Teacher's Pet and Vybz, Vybz drum and them thing there. So he was occupied. He was occupied and he was doing thing, and 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 was firing at the same time too. So I think he would have eventually answered 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. So yeah. That was the war we never got to see. We never got to see that war there. So yeah, but big up on yourself still. This one I'm gonna leave the one I said. If you enjoy that one and want to see more, you don't have to do already. Leave a like on the video. Click on the screen and click on any one and two video and get a next throwback. So alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.